be making dip-dyed pillows today. So we're gonna do two different things here. First, we're going to ombre this white pillow into a gradation of blue.
What's an ombre?
Have you ever seen the colors where like part of it's really dark blue and then it gets lighter and lighter and lighter until it's white?
Oh.
That's called ombre.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna pour a cup of salt and you can just throw that right in the water. That's it. You wanna get this water as hot as you can. It helps the fabric take the color a little bit more. We're just maybe gonna pour a quarter of the dye in there. Be careful it splashes, so put it real close to the water. I like to leave a little bit of white showing, so I'll go about up to here with my first dip. And then we're gonna pour some more dye in so we get a darker blue. And you're gonna leave about, you know, so much of the lighter color, so
So it kind of creates a row of each color?
That's like ombre. For the last bit, we're just gonna kind of let it sit there and work its magic. Then the other process, we're going to remove the color from the pillow and we're gonna paint on it with bleach. We're gonna stick these in so the bleach doesn't go through the other side. You know, it's so funny, as an interior designer, when you go shopping for pillows, some of these pillows are 150, 250 bucks, and we're over here making them very affordably, so the splatter thing is really hot right now, so if that's your bag, go for it. Hang it up on our line over here to dry.
Okay, what's going on with our ombres?
Just grab one and squeeze away. Hang them up with the white part in the top. So these two are dry. Why don't we let the other ones keep drying and we'll go ahead and stuff these with the pillow inserts.
Okay.
You look like you've done this before.
I have done it once or twice.
And there we have it.
Wow. You don't get much more creative and original than these.
So for more dip dyeing pillow projects like these, you can go to homemadesimple.com or go to Pinterest and look up Homemade Simple for great ideas just like this.